In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Metal TV not opening. Now, the first thing you can try doing is down here at the bottom right, where you can show your hidden icons, click on that, and if Metal is currently running, right click it and click on Quit Metal. When you do this, it's going to close down, and after this, go ahead, hover over your taskbar where there's empty space, right click it, click Task Manager, and then in here, try finding Metal, okay? So in case Metal is running, in case you can see anything on the list, simply click on it and click on End Task. So like this, for example, and then click on End Task, and make sure you close it down completely. After you do that, find Metal inside your programs over here on your computer, right click it, and then click on Run as Administrator, okay? So this may help by preventing your crashing, and it's going to eventually likely open up the program. But if this still doesn't work, and if it's still basically just not opening for you, what you can try is go to Open File Location over here. It's gonna open up the basically the file location of Metal over here. As you can see, for me, it's just a shortcut. You can try right clicking that, and then over here again click on Open File Location, and it's going to pop up this basically your directory of your Metal, and you want to look for this metal.exe here, which says it's an application. You want to right click it, click on Properties, and then you want to go into Compatibility, and here you want to click on Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and then try Windows 8, okay? After that, you could also click on down here where it says Run this program as an administrator, so you could do that as well, and then you could also do Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Whenever you set all this, click on Apply, and then OK, and whenever you've done that, try running your Metal, and if it's not working, then great, but if it's not, try restarting your PC first, and after you do that, try opening it up, and hopefully this will solve your issue. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.